In this video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about tangent lines. So if we have a problem like this that says AB and BC are tangent to circle D, what is the value of Y? So these two lines are tangent to the circle. We could see that they're just skimming the edge of the circle here. Okay, so it tells us that they're tangent. So we need to understand that from a point outside a circle, tangent segments to the circle are congruent. So any two lines that come and are tangent and they meet at a point tells us that these two lines are the same. Okay? So that means AB equals BC. AB equals BC. So now we can substitute y equals 12 for AB and 50 for BC, okay? So AB is equal to y minus 12, so let's put that in, and BC equals 50, so let's put that in. So we can now solve for y. We can add 12 to both sides of the equation, and here we're left with y, which is what we want. And on here, this side, we have 50 plus 12. So y equals 62. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch this video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it and you'll find a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.